So, hey, I am Raktam. I joined Razorpay some 2.5 years back. I lead the growth marketing team at Razorpay. So, Razorpay has been there in the industry for 10 years now. We are one of the largest payment gateway companies in India, and now we are also expanding abroad. So, if we consider merchant engagement, I think it's one of the key levers for us to grow as a company, because as a company, we believe in product-led growth, which means we have a product which is self-serve, most of it which is minimal. We have almost minimal to zero human touch interference. So I think we had this being the key lever. We use a lot of emails, WhatsApp, and SMS to reach out to merchants to influence the key metrics that we track, which is acquisition, retention, revival. So when we evaluate any new platform that we kind of want to incorporate Razorpay with, we see few things, which is the cost efficiency, the ability to do the task that it is designed to, and the ease of integration. I think these are the key things that tick very well with MoEngage. The challenges that we were facing before this one is obviously the cost to benefit derived. That is one of the key challenges we faced. The second thing is we faced some challenges on deliverability and automation of our campaigns. We have to reach out to people en masse. So I think these are the challenges that we were facing, and after MoEngage, it was a very seamless integration. It was a very seamless transition from our previous CRM to transition to MoEngage. There was a war room set up between both of the teams. The engineering team and the customer success team worked very closely with each other, and after that, I think with very minimal to zero hiccups, we moved to MoEngage. So one of the key examples that I think our onboarding, because it's a fintech industry, the onboarding is pretty robust and it's a big step, like a lot of steps are there. So basically at drop-offs at each of the stages, we understand why merchants are dropping off, and then we send communication triggered towards those. So setting up an automated flow, what was happening before this is we were having individual drop-off point, individual communication. After MoEngage, we were able to streamline all of it into one big flow, and that has helped us in trackability, in daily kind of, if you want to modify something, it's just one modification in a flow.
Hi, I'm Ramya Subramaniam. I work as a growth marketing manager at Razorpay, and I'm primarily in charge of the retention charter here. So it is important for us to target people at the right time, for example, when they're dropping off. So we utilized event-based triggers, which is a feature within MoEngage flows, to target people at the time of drop-off. And we saw good results. We saw 29% lift in our onboarding journey. So we know that WhatsApp has the highest engagement rate, and it works as a key driver for us when it comes to driving our webinar registrations. Like for example, when we use emails, due to the lower engagement compared to WhatsApp, WhatsApp has been a primary channel that we've been using on MoEngage to drive these registrations. So we segment our customers based on when and where they dropped off, and we have specific insights for each of them. And we utilize MoEngage flows in order to apply those insights. For example, we use them via email, WhatsApp, and SMS as channels. So for example, if a customer is showing signs of churning, then we run WhatsApp campaigns on them with typeform links. And we attempt to understand what is the issue with each of our customers, and we take it to internal teams and resolve them individually. We observed a 25% lift in the success metric for this campaign, and we have defined the success metric of the campaign based on what the objective has been. For example, we saw a 16% lift in our success metric in a campaign that was specific for Razorpay payment pages. In order to nurture our dormant users, we check various attributes belonging to a customer, and we use MoEngage flows to tackle each of these attributes. We passed all of them to MoEngage, and now we can target them individually. Sub-campaigns within this large flow have given us a 19% lift.
We need to have a lean, cost-efficient, and a martech that works. And that's why I think so. We have a lot of legacy players, and we have MoEngage along with them, who seamlessly work with each other. One thing also we look into market stack is whether a particular tool or platform is able to achieve multiple tasks together. What it helps us to is to achieve scale. Instead of taking one platform which is an expertise in certain areas, would want a platform does kind of 3-4 things together. So I think one of the key things that we look in the marketing stack is, can a platform do multiple things good together? While ticket is a process which streamlines internal process, during escalations and urgent requirement, it always helps when a partner is there to reach out to, or a human is there to reach out to. I think that has been very seamless with MoEngage. We have internal channels and groups, and the response time is almost immediate. There have been instances where we required the help of the team at around 6-7 o'clock when we're not expected to work, and the team has been very upfront with that support.
If I had to describe MoEngage in 3 words, I would say they're very reliable, they're comprehensive, and they're most definitely flexible.